Okay, in order to make your Yo Soy poem in PowerPoint, what you're going to do is open up a new presentation, and the very first thing you can do is add in all of your images. So for every slide, you're going to have a different image. So I can add an image by going up to the picture tool up here and click Insert Picture. Okay, so I inserted a picture on slide 1. Now for each different slide, I have to create a new slide by clicking over here on the left, and I can click Control click, and that will pop up with new slide. You can also do Shift Command N, and I can add another picture by clicking on the picture. So once I have all of my slides with the pictures on them, the next step is going to be to record my audio. So in order to record my audio, I'm going to need to have my poem divided up into the different sections for each photo. So I want to know exactly what I'm going to be saying for this photo. Once I have that, I can go ahead and start recording my audio. To do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to Insert at the top here, click Sound and Music, and then Record Sound. It'll see this pop-up box, and notice there's a few different options here. So the first thing I would do is make sure that you have the correct microphone recording. The built-in microphone on your computer isn't very good, so in order to get a better sound, you're going to want to plug in a USB microphone, which you can get from Miss Shaner, and then you're going to select that one on the recording area here. Also, you need to give this recorded sound its own name. So if this is my first line of my poem, I might call it Yo Soy Intro or something like that. And then I can go ahead and hit record. Once I hit record, I can just immediately start talking and to the microphone, and then when I'm done, I can hit stop. If I mess up, all I have to do is hit cancel, and I can actually start over again. Go up to Insert, Sound and Music, Record Sound, and then I'm going to record my sound Yo Soy Intro. I want to make sure I have the right microphone here, and then I hit record. And when I'm done, I hit stop. And then I can hit save if I've finished. Okay, so I've recorded my sound. Now I'm going to hit save. And one thing you'll notice is this little audio speaker sign pop up. What you want to do is actually just click on that really quick and hit the delete key. I know it's going to seem like you're deleting your audio, but it's actually saved. So I just delete that, and then I can go on and record another one. So I'm going to just go up to Insert, Sound and Music, and Record Sound again. So I recorded a second sound. Now I'm going to delete the audio file again, and I'm going to show you how we're going to make this all come together. So in yours, you're obviously going to have more images, but what we need now is for this to all play smoothly together. So I'm going to click on the first slide, and I'm going to click on Transitions right here. When I click on that, this thing pops down. The first thing I want to do is click Options. So you have a few things you need to set here. The first is the kind of transition you want. There's a lot of different transitions, so it's up to you. You could have fun with this. I do like to do fade smoothly because I think that looks nice. I like it to make it go slow. Again, you can play with these settings until you find what you want. And then I can choose the sound that I want to play on this slide. So this was my Yo Soy intro. And then finally, the most important thing here is that you're going to advance the slide, meaning make it go forward, automatically after a certain number of seconds. The number of seconds you put in here is going to depend on how long your sound clip is. For now, I'm just going to say 5 seconds, and then I'm going to hit apply. I need to do this for each slide, so I'm going to click on the next slide. I'm going to click Options. I'm going to select the transition that I want. Fade smoothly. Slowly. This one is my Yo Soy La Escuela, so I'm going to put that in there automatically after 5 seconds, and I'm going to hit apply. So let's watch what we have so far. To preview the timing, you're going to click up on Slideshow. Yo soy una amiga. Yo soy la escuela. Okay, so what I notice is that my timing is a little slow. So you don't want it to pause too long after you've said something. So I'm going to change my timing here to 3 seconds for my first slide, and I think I might do the same thing. Maybe I'll do 4 for my second slide. And now I'm going to preview it again.
Yo soy una amiga. Yo soy la escuela.
So that looks better, and if I felt like that transition was too fast, I could always go back into options and make it 4 seconds. But that's basically how you would do this, so that when you're ready to play this, it will play all the way through without you having to push any buttons.